So class, after completing our lesson, weather and climate, I hope you all have read the lesson. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Now we are going to start with the exercise. Okay. Who am I? First, it is who am I? I keep on changing. Yes, I have given you the answers. I keep on changing. I'm not the same at all places. I'm the solid state of water droplets. I'm present in the atmosphere in the form of vapor. Okay. So what keeps on changing? Weather. First answer is weather. I'm not same. What is not same at all places? Climate. I'm the solid state of water droplets. What is the solid state of water droplets? Snow and or hail. Okay. I'm present in the atmosphere in the form of vapor. Okay. I'm present in the atmosphere in the form of vapor. What is that? Moisture. Did you got all the answers? Second, answer the following. Why is the climate of Mahabaleshwar cool? Now we have seen what is weather, what is climate. Mahabaleshwar is supposed to be the place having cool climate. Why is the Mahabaleshwar cool? Now you all must be knowing where is Mahabaleshwar, where it is situated. It is the hill station. Yes, it is supposed to be the hill station. So what is the reason? As we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air decreases. Yes, as we move above the sea level, okay, the temperature decreases. Mahabaleshwar is located at high altitude. Okay, high altitude. See, I will show you over here. If this is the sea level means the normal level. Okay. So here is the Mahabaleshwar. This is known as the place of high altitude. Getting? So as Mahabaleshwar is located on the high altitude, high above the sea level. So this is the sea level and it is so much above the sea level. In Sahyadri mountain. Which mountain? In Sahyadri mountain. Therefore, the climate of Mahabaleshwar is cool. So this is the reason why the climate of Mahabaleshwar is cool. Understood? Why is the climate near the sea humid? Why is the climate near the sea humid? Sea. Okay. Now, basically, if you ask the people living in Mumbai, how is the climate? They say it is humid. So, why is it humid near the sea? What is the reason? Because of the heating of seawater, water vapor gets mixed in the air. Yes, as seawater heats up, the water vapor, okay, vapors which evaporates from the sea, it gets mixed in the air. Air near the sea area Air near the sea area having temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. So air which is near the sea holds greater amount of moisture. Therefore, the climate near the sea is humid. Okay, understood? What is the difference between weather and climate? Okay, now you all have done the lesson, so you all should able to give the answer. Weather is described on the basis of condition prevailing at the given time, means the time which we observe the weather. Hmm? Given time, while climate is described on the basis of condition prevailing over a longer period of time. Weather keeps on changing frequently and we can experience change in weather easily. Changes in the climate take place over a longer period. These changes are not perceived so easily. Okay, climate, the changes of climate is for longer period and weather it is for short time. So this is the difference between the weather and climate. What are the elements of weather? What are the elements of weather? Temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation are the elements of weather. Okay, you all should know this answer. What? Temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation are the elements of weather. What effects do nearness to the sea and high above mean sea level have on the climate? Just now I showed you what nearness to the sea and high above the sea level. Okay, the effect of nearness to the sea, first point. Okay, near nearness to the sea. Hmm? Because of heating of seawater, water vapor gets mixed in the air. Air near the sea area having higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. Therefore, the climate near the sea is humid. In the interior continental regions, the air holds comparatively less amount of moisture. Means near the sea, the moisture is less. Therefore, the climate in the interior continental region is dry. Continental means what? Where in near the land area, it is dry. Okay, and near the sea, it is humid. Why? Because amount of moisture is more there. And from where does this moisture come? Because as the sea, okay, the sea water evaporates. When it evaporates, the water vapor, because of that water vapor, the amount of moisture is present in the air. And that's why the air is, the climate is humid near the sea. How is the climate near the sea? It is humid. Okay, so this is your first point. What the effect of nearness to the sea on the climate? Clear? Now B. What mean sea level? Okay, high above mean sea level. We will see that. See the effects of height above mean sea level on the climate. The Earth's surface get heat from the sun. Okay, sea level. Sea level means at the normal level is known as sea level. The earth's surface gets heat from the sun. As a result, the surface get heated up. Yes, the earth's surface is get heated up. The air near the surface of the earth receives the maximum heat. The surface gets heated up. The air near the surface of the earth receives the maximum heat. As we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air decreases. Yes, as we go on the hill station, as we go on the high altitude, what happens? The temperature decreases. Understood? Okay. So these are the answers of all the questions. Answer in brief. I have given you. You have to write everything in the notebook. Okay.